Google Workspace is a popular business site of world-class productivity and collaboration apps built for all types and sizes of business. Google Workspace also offers a professional business email service, and today I'm going to help you get up and running with all of these essential Google Workspace features that you need to know. So, hi guys, stay here, welcome along to this channel. I hope all is well in your world now. In this Google Workspace tutorial for beginners, I'm going to gently take your hand and walk you through how you can use Google Workspace so that your entire business can make the most of this all-in-one business site. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into Google Workspace. So this is workspace.google.com and this is the homepage. As you can see, you have here various information, but before, let's know how you can get you started with it. So to use Google Workspace effectively, start by setting up your account through the Google Admin Console, where you can manage users, set permissions, and customize your domain settings. So the first thing that you have to do is click over Start here. I will give you step by step how you can get started with it. So once you do that, you'll find this page, which is getting started. So here we have company name. For example, you write your company name. Then we have here number of employees, including you. So I will choose between 10 and 99. And we have the region, it's Morocco. And also we have here discover a new way to work with generative AI. With Google Workspace, you can purchase Gemini as a net to create, communicate, and collaborate in a new way. So we'll click over next. Once you do that, you will find your other page, which is what are your contact details. Because you create the Google Workspace account, you will be the administrator. So we'll search for name, the name, and current your email address, and then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is choose a method to set up your account. To set up your company's email at Google Workspace account, you'll need to have a domain as example.google.com, and you have here get a new custom domain, buy a new domain and grow your brand online, and you have here configure with your existing domain, use the domain you already own. So you click over the one you want, then you click over continue, and you will find other page, which is what is your company's domain name. Enter your company's domain name. You will use this name to set up custom email addresses such as info example.com. We'll tell you later how to confirm that your company owns this domain. So we have your name of your domain. For example, here we write choose.com, and I will click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is personal information like your address and your city and your phone number, your email, and then you write your password, and then you get started with it. So let's come back to the home page. So once your account is set up, users can access various applications like Gmail for email, Google Drive for file storage, and Google Docs, Sheets and Slides for document creation and collaboration. Encourage team members to use Google Meet for virtual meetings and Google Calendar for scheduling. Leverage shared drives for collaborative projects and explore Google Workspace integration capabilities with other tools you use. Regularly review and adjust settings to ensure security and optimize your workflows. So We have here create and exchange and collaborate with the potential of a solution that brings together the applications popular with more than 3 billion users, Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Meet, and many others. So we have now available with Gemini Workspace to boost productivity with EA. So we have here productivity and collaboration tools that adapt to all modes of work. So we have a video showing that. So let's know why we use Google Workspace. So Google Workspace is widely used because it offers a comprehensive suite of cloud-based productivity tools that enhance collaboration and efficiency with applications like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Meet. It allows teams to work seamlessly together in real time, regardless of location. Its integration and accessibility make it easy to share files, communicate, and manage projects effectively, all within a secure and user-friendly environment. The flexibility and scalability of Google Workspace cater to both small businesses and large enterprises, making it a versatile choice for various organizational needs. And if we scroll down, we have here some answers to your questions. You have here what products are included in Google Workspace, what is Gemini for Workspace, and where can I find out more about it, and which Google Workspace plan is best for my business. Is it possible to try Google Workspace before committing? And how do I sign up for Google Workspace? And here we have what is the difference between G Suite and Google Workspace. This is how it works with Google Workspace, and you can just get started with it and write your personal information like your address and your personal information like your name, your password, your email, and also we have here solutions like for individuals, we have presentation, we have small and medium-sized enterprise presentation, we have new company here, startup. About large companies, we have here presentation, the front line workers, safer work, and about products, we have also here the products like Gmail, we have Google Calendar, Drive, Meet, Talks, Sheets, Slides, CAT. About sectors also we have here health and life science, commerce, industry, administration and public sector, professional services, and we have technology also. About services we have sales, marketing, human resources, and also we have security. And this is how it works with Google Workspace. You have just to get started right now and no more information like those information. Also we have discovered the professional world of tomorrow, discover new ways to work with Gemini for Workspace, and you have downloaded here our Gemini for Workspace manual, learn more about Gemini, and we have Gemini writing guide for Google Workspace, keep up to date with products, news and updates on the Google Workspace blog, and we have learned how Gemini can help your business at your digital event Gemini at Work on September 24th. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.